Hi, I'm Carly. I'm a national makeup artist with Bobbi Brown. Today we're going to talk about shimmer. I'm going to show you how and where you can apply shimmer in your makeup routine. Whether you're a shimmer beginner or a shimmer enthusiast, I'm going to go through the different options that we have. Starting with where we apply shimmer, we can think about three specific areas that we wear shimmer: the face, the eye, and the lip. And my first recommendation is not to go all out on all three. I'll start by saying everyone can wear shimmer. And the easiest place to start is right on the skin. We have a lot of different options to add a bit of shimmer or glow to the skin, starting with what's gonna look the most natural and subtle. This is our Extra Illuminating Balm. And I'm just gonna show you on my hand what a beautiful moisturizing product this is and the kind of texture it gives. Really gives a nice glow to the skin that really enhances any skin tone and any skin type. So if you're a little bit hesitant about shimmer, this would be a really great introductory product to use and try to get that nice glow on the skin. If you wanted to level up from there, there's a few different options that we can do for shimmer on the face. We have our Brightening Bricks, highlighting powder, and Shimmer Bricks. So a brightening brick is going to give really soft, lit from within glow to the skin. You want to take your brush all over the whole mosaic because it has a blend of matte and illuminating pigments, so it's a really subtle glow. So this is perfect just to add a little bit of pop and a little bit of a lit from within glow to the cheek. Again, this is like an intro to shimmer, really for those shimmer beginners, or if you're a little bit hesitant to add shimmer into your routine, this is a perfect place to start. The highlighting powders are going to amp it up a little bit. But what's great about the highlighting powders is that they really melt into the skin. They're really emollient. So I'm going to show you, you can see that beautiful light reflecting quality, but it really melts into the skin. That's because it has a clear base. It's also because the product is made wet and then it has the moisture baked out of it. So when you apply it, it just melts into the skin. It also means that you can use it wet or dry. So you can see naturally the light's hitting me right here. That's where I want to amp up that highlighting with that beautiful highlighting powder. And it'll just blend right into the skin. You can wet this product to really amp up the shine. I like to use our Primer Plus Hydrating Spray. It's a 3-in-1, and just apply it directly to the brush. Then I can pick up my highlighting powder and concentrate that nice, beautiful highlight right at the highest point of my cheekbone. And even having a variation of soft shimmer to more intense shine gives a nice highlight and structure to the cheek. Now our Shimmer Bricks have a different shimmer effect. They have bigger particles, light reflecting, and more pigment to them. So they give a lot of color as well as shimmer to the face. These are really great for an all-in-one tone enhancing shimmer. And I'm gonna show you using a sheer powder brush and the bronze Shimmer Brick. Again, just sweep all over the mosaic, and you can just add anywhere you want to see a little bit of a lift to the skin. One of my favorite shimmer bricks is the rose because it gives a nice shine and a variation of pink pigments that work like a great blush. And I'm going to apply it right to the apples of my cheek. So there's lots of different ways that you can add glow and shimmer into your makeup routine to really enhance the skin. And the best place to do it is right at the high points of the cheeks to really enhance your cheekbones. I also love to use a precision blending brush, and even when I use it dry, it will just help to blend out any of the shimmer products so that they really do a nice job of sinking into the skin so that it really comes lit from within. Another beautiful trick that I love to do, if some of your shoulder or collarbone is exposed and you've added shimmer on the high points, why not add a little bit here as well, just to give your skin that beautiful sun-kissed highlight. When you've brightened up your complexion by adding shimmer to the high points of the cheek, you can also add shimmer through the high point and the center, a little bit on the chin, and I love to do a little bit on the Cupid's bow too. Now the whole face looks lit up. I also want to show you some of the products that we have that can add shimmer into your eye makeup. So we of course have beautiful eyeshadows. We have Shimmer Wash and we have Sparkle Shadows, and these are really great to apply with a finger. I'm just going to show you how that looks on the back of the hand. Just a really nice, catches the light shine. And we also have shimmer in our Longwear Cream Shadow Sticks. This one's golden pink. It is one of my absolute favorites. And I'm gonna show you down here how that also catches the light. If you like a deeper tone, golden bronze is a great option too. So these just catch the light in a beautiful way to really enhance and brighten the eye. If you're nervous about adding shimmer to the eye, the best place to start is just in the inner corner. You can just add a little pop of color and a little pop of shimmer and it'll brighten up the eye. I'm using our Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in golden pink, and I'm just adding a little bit of shimmer in that inner corner to give a little bit of brightness to enhance. And because I have a matte shadow already on, it really contrasts to make that shimmer pop the eye makeup. If I'm feeling more bold and I want to amp up that shimmer, I can add a shimmer wash eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with a really nice bright color, and I'm going to go right on the center of my lid and add that nice bright pop of shimmer. I'll take a dry eyeshadow brush and just lightly blend the edges. Using a dry shadow brush is great because it'll just blend off the excess so that you don't have a strong line of where one starts and the other ends. It's such a beautiful way to wear shimmer that really enhances the eye. Now that I have a lot of shimmer in the complexion and on the eye, I wouldn't add shimmer to the lip as well. I'm going to complement this by using our crushed oil infused gloss just to add a really nice creamy texture. And I'm going to press it in. You can always choose how you want to layer and level up your shimmer. You can do a really beautiful shimmery dewy skin with nothing else at all, or with a matte eye and a matte lip. You could do a really sparkly lip all by itself, or you could do a really sparkly eye and the rest of the face matte. There's a lot of different ways to play. I would just say that the most interesting and flattering makeup is when you play with a variety of textures so that you can really focus on where you want to enhance with a little bit of shimmer and shine. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching. And if there's any more questions that you have, you can feel free to leave them in the comments below. Or if there's anything else that you'd like to see, please let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.